Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to activate and use portable hotspot on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select Network and Internet, and here you will notice the hotspot and tethering. Just click on it, and click on Wi-Fi hotspot. It's the first possibility here. So if you would like to activate it right now, just click here, and now it's active. Here you've got the sign, and then you can turn it off the same way smoothly by tapping. If you would like to personalize your portable hotspot, just click on Hotspot Password, and here you can change the password. So let me enter hard reset. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters. 6, 7, 8. And then tap on OK. You can also change the name of your hotspot by tapping on hotspot name. And it can be Desire, Hard. Click on OK. And that's it. This is how you can customize both hotspot name and also the password. And if you'd like to have a quick access to your hotspot, slide down the upper bar, locate its icon. It's right here, click on it, and now you can share network with other devices with your friends. And then to turn it off, just click again on the icon. So that would be all. So you can activate and personalize portable hotspot in your HTC Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.